Zebra! Hi, Zebra!
Hi, zebra! Nag-iisa.
Wow!
Tagal na tong zebra.
Patay na yung walk.
Nice skin.
Zebra! Look at zebra! Say hi to zebra.
La, say hi. Taktam lang makita.
Here. Reindeer. I see the zebra. Oh, you know that you see the zebra. Huh? Zebra, zebra. Zebra. Oh, look at that. Here is a deer. Hi, deer.
Hi!
Oh, what is that? Oh, they're eating. You want to feed the deer? Huh? Oh, bye. Oh, look at the deer. Ha? Tatakwa mo ito. Ay, naan. Ako nga ito naan.
The Golden House. Welcome to Crocodile Park. Going to Crocodile Park.
Kapag nila si Day, nila skandan na ni Chappie.
Apo nagrigat ag ATV hindi katoy.
Nag-ATV ko, may nakain ka mas kumatin, nag-taker ko na. Ay, crocodile. Oh, one pack.
Crocodile.
Bahay ng mga crocodile. Crocodile ko ni may day ko. Sabi crocodile.
The crocodiles. Oh, yan na ang turtle in person.
In a real life.
Yan na, that's not in TV.
That's real. Do you want to touch? No. Ayun na. Sulit mo, 150 ay. Ay, nagpicture dito mo minsan. Picture mo niya. Ya, Miko. Smile.
The crocodile is swimming.
Anong buhay ha? Crocodile?
Aman.
Big crocodile.
Tapit, ape,
Tete aso.
Tamit la ulo na agpakpakita. Number 2 crocodile I've seen in the
I
crocodile
don't go down.
park. Hi, crocodile! Crocodiles. The crocodiles in action. This one, the crocodile in action. Swimming. Oh, Yana, look!
Look, oh.
This one.
Yeah, the crocodile is swimming. Yeah. Look at those. Can you count how many crocodiles? One, two. Oh, look at those little fish.
I thought only 2 crocodiles. But there are so many here.
Oh, look at the fish. Can you see the fish?
You see, they are ready for
Fish.
competition.
Can you see the fish?
Oh, this one, Yana, is coming.